Planning a trip abroad and dreading those pesky international transaction fees? What if I told you there's a way to use your Monese card virtually anywhere in the world without incurring extra costs? Stick around, because today we're diving deep into how to make your Monese card your best travel companion. For those unfamiliar, Monese is a mobile-first banking service that offers accounts in GBP, Euro, and RON, designed to make managing your money across borders seamless and affordable. It's particularly fantastic for travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who frequently deals with multiple currencies. The beauty of using your Monese card abroad lies in its approach to currency exchange and transaction fees. Unlike traditional banks that often hit you with markups on exchange rates and flat fees for international spending or ATM withdrawals, Monese operates differently. They use the MasterCard exchange rate, which is very close to the interbank rate, essentially the real exchange rate. This means you're getting a fair deal on your money when you convert it or spend in a foreign currency. Now, let's talk about the without extra fees part, because this is where Monese truly shines. Monese offers different plans: simple, classic, and premium. Each plan comes with varying allowances for fee-free foreign currency spending and ATM withdrawals. With the simple plan, which is free, you get a generous allowance for foreign currency spending without any markups. However, there might be a small, transparent fee for ATM withdrawals beyond a certain limit. For instance, you can spend a significant amount fee-free, but withdrawals over, say, £200 or €200 per month might incur a small percentage fee. Moving up to the classic plan, you get even more flexibility. This plan typically offers a much higher fee-free foreign currency spending limit and a more substantial allowance for fee-free ATM withdrawals. It's ideal for those who travel more frequently or spend larger amounts abroad. Finally, the premium plan is designed for the ultimate globetrotter. With this plan, you generally get unlimited fee-free foreign currency spending and a very high or even unlimited allowance for fee-free international ATM withdrawals. This plan essentially eliminates most common travel-related banking fees, giving you complete peace of mind. To make the most of your Monese card abroad, here are a few tips. First, always pay in the local currency. If a merchant asks if you want to pay in your home currency, GBP or Euro, or the local currency, always choose the local currency. This ensures Monese handles the conversion at the favorable MasterCard exchange rate, rather than the merchant's potentially less favorable rate. Second, monitor your plan limits. Keep an eye on your Monese app to track your spending and ATM withdrawals. This helps you stay within your fee-free allowances and avoid any unexpected charges. If you're planning a big trip, it might even be worth upgrading your plan temporarily. Third, top up your account in advance. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Monese account before you travel, or top it up easily using various methods, including bank transfers or even cash top-ups at designated locations. Fourth, use the budgeting tools. The Monese app comes with excellent budgeting features. You can categorize your spending, set budgets, and get instant notifications for every transaction. This is incredibly helpful for managing your travel expenses and staying on track. Lastly, don't forget about security. Monese offers robust security features, including instant card freezing in the app if your card is lost or stolen. Always keep your app updated and be mindful of your PIN. In summary, using your Monese card abroad without extra fees is not just possible, it's incredibly easy and efficient. By understanding your plan's allowances, always paying in local currency, and utilizing the app's features, you can enjoy your travels without worrying about hidden banking costs. It truly is a game changer for international money management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.